What is the living Constitution interpretation? Have you ever wondered how the United States Constitution can still apply to our lives today? The living Constitution interpretation offers a fascinating answer to that question. This legal philosophy sees the Constitution as a flexible and adaptable document. Instead of sticking strictly to the original meanings or intentions of its framers, it suggests that the Constitution's meaning can evolve over time. This evolution helps address new social, political, and technological realities without needing formal amendments. At its heart, the living Constitution approach argues that the Constitution was written with broad and general language. This design allows for flexibility as society changes. The framers could not have predicted modern developments like digital technology or civil rights issues. For example, rights such as privacy and the prohibition of racial segregation in schools have been recognized through this evolving interpretation, even though they are not explicitly mentioned in the original text. From a liberal perspective, this approach aligns with the ideals of the Enlightenment that influenced the Constitution's creation. These ideals emphasize reason, progress, and the protection of individual rights in an ever-changing society. The Founding Fathers intended the Constitution to be a living document that grows with the nation. This ensures that justice and equality adapt to contemporary standards. In practice, the living Constitution allows courts, especially the Supreme Court, to interpret constitutional provisions in light of current societal norms and challenges. For instance, the interpretation of the Eighth Amendment's prohibition of cruel and unusual punishment has evolved to reflect modern standards of decency. This adaptability supports the protection of civil liberties and the expansion of rights in ways that originalist interpretations might not allow. Critics of this approach argue that it can lead to judicial decisions influenced by political trends rather than stable legal principles. However, from a liberal viewpoint, the ability for constitutional interpretation to respond to new realities is essential for maintaining a just and equitable society. This ensures that the Constitution's fundamental promises are fulfilled. The living Constitution interpretation views the United States Constitution as a flexible framework designed to evolve with society. This perspective reflects the liberal tradition's emphasis on progress and adapting foundational principles to meet contemporary needs. It highlights the importance of keeping the Constitution relevant and effective in protecting rights and guiding governance today.